guys, it's Dylan here at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this for sale, a Yamaha R1 2016 on a 16 plate with 5,636 miles from new. One of my personal favourite 1000cc superbikes out there at the minute. The electronic aids you get on these bikes are brilliant. This one's got some nice bits on. You can see we've put some fresh tyres front and back, also a fresh battery and also a fresh MOT too. It's got a spark exhaust with a decat. I'll start that up for you shortly. It does sound amazing. And then of course you've got the Puig screen and a tail tidy as well. Now I mentioned those electronics here. You get a full colour TFT display on these bikes. Usual ABS traction control, but you also get power mode, slide control, and also if you look at the parameters there, you can see how much brake you're putting on, how much accelerator. They're absolutely fantastic. Over on this side you can see it's super nice and clean, and you can see in there these bikes do also come with a quick shifter as well. Yeah, what a bike. Right, let's give it a start up so you can have a listen to it. I don't think the camera will do it justice, it does sound amazing. Some nice pops and bangs there too. As you can see, full LED lights as well, so they're a proper piece of kit. If you do fancy it, please get in touch and we'll put your name on it. Thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.